Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bloomberg Terminal. Start by assessing your data and trading needs, then contact sales for licensing options and trial access. Compare Bloomberg against alternatives on desktop, mobile, and API features before committing. Prepare your budget for base subscription and extra modules, and plan for installation with IT and security teams. Finally, negotiate contract terms including support levels and training availability and onboarding. Many buyers ask about pricing and trial access when they consider Bloomberg Terminal. Request a demo and short trial to test terminal workflows and API calls and document the exact datasets you need. Ask about bundle discounts, module fees, and seat counts to model total cost. Verify contract length, renewal terms, and cancellation policy. Finally, arrange training sessions to speed adoption and reduce wasted subscription costs and ongoing support timelines. Installation and integration require coordination across IT, compliance, and vendors to ensure secure access to Bloomberg Terminal. Plan network port rules, certificate management, and single sign-on or token setups. Test API connections, Excel add-in, and mobile sync in a sandbox environment before production. Map data feeds to internal systems and set up user permissions by role. Schedule phased rollouts to handle issues and collect feedback for optimization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.